Today we continue by looking at the median for grouped data. So we have a set of data and it is in seconds and frequency. The seconds 51 to 55 seconds, the frequency for that is 2. 56 to 60 seconds with a frequency of 7. 61 to 65 seconds with a frequency of 8. 66 to 70 seconds with a frequency of 4. So when we look at that number line below, we will see here that we have 50 to 55, but notice that it's not exactly on 50, it's actually between 50 and 51. So we're going to take a lower limit of 50.5 for this class and an upper limit of 55.5, and so we take it going across. So it will be 50.5 would be the lower limit here, and 55.5 the upper limit here. And the frequency in that class is 2. The frequency in the next class is 7, that's 55.5 to 60.5. And the class which would be bounded by 60.5 and 65.5, the frequency is 8. And for 65.5 to 70.5, the frequency is 4. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to take a look and see if we can locate the median value. The median value is the value in the middle of the ordered set of data. There are two types of median values you can get. One from an odd number of cases and two from an even number. Now, if we look here, we will see that the median value is the 11th one, which would occur in the 61 to 65 group. That's here. How could we say that? Well, we have 2 and 7, 9, and 8. 9 and 8 is 9 and 8, 17, and 4 is 21. Therefore, the middle one would be the 11th one, and that would be in where it falls in here, 61 to 65. So we say that the median group is 61 to 65. But if we want an estimated median value, we would need to look more closely at the 61 to 65 group. So we would need to look more closely at the 61 to 65 group. So here we have the 61 to 65 group, and we can say, yes, it's 61 to 65, but it really includes values from 60.5 up to, but not including 65.5. So that would be from 60.5, which would be the upper boundary from here and the lower boundary here, up to but not including 65.5, which would be the upper boundary here for the 61 to 65 class. So, well, we now want to find that what the actual value is at 60.5. We already have 9 runners, and the next boundary at 65.5 we have 17 runners. By drawing a straight line between, we can pick out where the median frequency of n divided by 2 runners is. So here it is. So we have 50 up to 70, and now we will see that we have runners 0 to 2 to 9 to 17 to 21, with the middle being here. And this handy formula does the calculation. The estimated mean is equal to L plus n divided by 2 minus b divided by g times w, which is similar to our estimated modal value, except that we see a little difference right in this area here. So now we see that L is the lower class boundary of the group containing the median, n is the total number of values, b is the cumulative frequency of the groups before the median group, G is the frequency of the median group, and W is the group width. So in our example, L was equal to 60.5, N was equal to 21, B is equal to 2 plus 7 gives us 9, and G is equal to 8, while W is equal to 5. So you just plug those values into the formula, and we get an estimated mean of 61.4375.